For decades, high-paying jobs were considered safe. Careers like software development, law, finance, design, medicine, and management were seen as the final destination of success. People believed that once you reached these positions, automation could never touch you. Machines were supposed to replace factory workers and cashiers, not people with degrees and experience. But something different is happening now. Artificial intelligence isn't replacing these jobs loudly. It's doing it quietly, slowly, and almost invisibly, and most people don't realize it until their career no longer looks the same. AI isn't taking entire jobs overnight. Instead, it's removing small parts of them. A task here, a responsibility there. Over time, those missing pieces add up. Companies don't announce mass layoffs. They simply stop hiring as many people. One employee, assisted by AI, now does the work of 3, and once that becomes normal, the old job role quietly disappears. Take software development as an example. Coding was once considered one of the safest and highest-paying skills. Today, AI can write code, fix bugs, optimize programs, and explain complex logic in seconds. Tasks that junior developers used to handle are now done instantly by AI tools. Companies still need programmers, but far fewer of them. Entry-level positions are disappearing, and without those entry points, entire career paths begin to collapse. Graphic design is facing the same reality. AI can create logos, thumbnails, ads, social media posts, and brand visuals within minutes. What once required long creative processes and revisions can now be generated with a single prompt. Many businesses no longer need full-time designers for routine work. Instead, they rely on AI and keep one person to supervise the output. Writing is changing just as fast. Copywriters, content creators, scriptwriters, and journalists are seeing fewer opportunities. AI can generate articles, emails, ads, reports, and scripts at massive scale. Companies that once hired teams of writers now hire one editor to refine AI-generated content. The work still exists, but far fewer people are needed to do it. Even law and finance are no longer safe. AI can review contracts, analyze legal documents, detect risks, and process financial data faster than human teams. Junior lawyers who once spent years reviewing documents are no longer needed in the same numbers. Financial analysts are being replaced by systems that analyze data instantly, without fatigue or emotion. Healthcare is also changing. AI already reads scans, predicts disease risks, and assists with diagnosis. Doctors are still essential, but fewer are needed to do the same amount of work. One specialist, supported by AI, can now handle what once required a full team. Management roles are being affected too. AI tracks productivity, predicts outcomes, and optimizes workflows. Middle managers, whose jobs were based on coordination and oversight, are slowly becoming less necessary. Decisions that once required meetings are now made instantly by algorithms. What makes this shift dangerous is how normal it feels. There are no robots walking into offices, no dramatic announcements. Just fewer job listings, lower salaries, and more temporary roles. AI isn't replacing people, it's replacing parts of people, and when enough parts are done, the job itself disappears. Many believe creativity will protect them, but the AI is no longer just following instructions. It's generating ideas, strategies, designs, and solutions. It learns faster than humans and improves constantly. While humans need rest and time, AI only needs updates. This is creating a new kind of inequality. Those who control AI gain efficiency and power. Those who rely only on traditional skills slowly lose leverage. Degrees alone no longer guarantee security. The rules that once defined success are changing quietly. This doesn't mean all jobs will disappear. But many high-paying careers will shrink or transform into something unrecognizable. The safest roles won't be the ones with the longest resumes, but the ones that combine human judgment and adaptability that machines still struggle to replace. The real danger isn't artificial intelligence. The real danger is assuming your job will stay the same just because it exists today. Technological revolutions move silently, and by the time most people notice, everything has already changed. If this video made you think differently about the future of work, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more deep, eye-opening content like this. Stay informed, stay ahead, and stay curious.